Hey guys, it's Kayla, and I thought it would be very fun to come to you today with a haul video. This is not a normal haul video. In some recent videos I've shown you some new things that I have, and I've kind of mentioned that they were stress-induced purchases. So with everything going on in the world, I like to be prepared for any situation. So, you know, preparing for a situation where I may not be able to go out and do things with my friends like I like to do, or preparing for even the extreme, whereas I wasn't able to work. Luckily I can work from home, and that's been incredible so far. But I kind of I always like to have comforts, and so I've bought a lot of comforts. So this, you're gonna see me probably in a couple different outfits in this because I'm still waiting for some stuff to get here that I've ordered, but I thought I would show you kind of my, not all impulse, but my, it's definitely stress shopping. And it's a lot of just like things that make me happy, and I thought that would be fun to show you guys just like things that make me happy. So first thing I'm going to show you, and this isn't in the order I bought them, this is just in the order that they've appeared on my desk. The first thing I'm going to show you is something I've already done a whole video about, and I will link this video down below, and it is the Wild Unknown Archetypes deck. I'm obsessed with this. It's so beautiful. At the time I'm recording this, I haven't read with it yet. I'm doing that tomorrow. But there should be a blog post live about it as well, which I'll link down below. I've been waiting to buy this for a while. It came out before Christmas. And then I didn't get it for Christmas, so I put it on my list of, okay, when I have a little extra money, I'm going to buy it for myself. And it turned into when I'm a little bit stressed, I'm going to buy it for myself. So I'm really excited to start using this. Kind of like clear a corner over here. The next thing is something I don't know why I didn't have, and I think I did have at some point, but I don't know what I did with it. And that is a copy of Little Women. And this is all of the books in the Little Women universe in one, but yeah, I just didn't have a copy, and then when I realized I didn't have a copy anymore, I really wanted specifically the Barnes & Noble Collector's Edition, because look at how beautiful this is. And every time I've been into my Barnes & Noble in the past 6 months, they haven't had it in stock. So I finally just caved and ordered it online because it's so beautiful. And it's one of those things that like every time I saw it, I'd be like, oh, I want that. And I was like, no, but I have a copy of Little Women. Apparently I don't. So now I do, and it's pink and gold and beautiful, and this I'm definitely gonna like leave out on my nightstand always just because it matches my aesthetic. It's pink and gold, and that's my life. So I got that. Next few things are some clothes, but not like wear out of the house clothes. Like these are my home clothes for now that I'm working at home. So the first two things are two like nightgowns, nightshirts from Torrid. And this one says, "You are the koalist." I've realized this is in this haul you'll see two koala pajama themed things. These are now my third koala pajamas, but it's fine. I love koalas. So there's this little nightgown, which I'll probably wear tonight. I'm gonna kind of throw clothes onto my bed as I show you. So sorry. And then this one says, "I can't, I'm self-caring tonight." And it's pink, same exact style. They're super soft. I cannot wait to wear these. Next thing I bought is a little bralette. This one has a little bit of padding in it, but it's like really just soft and stretchy. So I bought that instead of my usual, well, I'm wearing one that's more like this today, but I usually wear like the Torrid lace ones, which are super comfortable. They're like, you know, it doesn't feel like you're wearing lace, because they're lace, it's the same lace that's on this, it's really soft. But I thought I would try out this one. It's a little bit more supportive, but also still cozy, and that's kind of the mood I'm in right now. Then I got two pairs of sweatpants from Target. I ordered these online because they don't carry any of the pajama brands in plus sizes in stores. So this is the Stars Above line, and I just ordered two pairs of sweatpants. So these ones are gray, and they actually have a hole in the leg already, which I either ripped before I got them or I ripped them when I was opening them, but that's okay because they're house pants, so it doesn't matter. So there's these light gray ones, and then this really pretty blue, like it's navy. It's really pretty, so I'm really excited about these. So then I did one final Barnes & Noble trip, and that's where I got Archetypes deck. But on that final Barnes & Noble trip, I also got some vinyl. So this one is Lizzo, 'Cause I Love You, which I didn't realize was on vinyl, and it sounds awesome. And then one that's been on my list for a long time. My sister actually owns it, so I could have borrowed hers, but it's Ed Sheeran's Divide, which also sounds awesome on vinyl. So there's that, and then I also, and I've shown this in a video before too, this is the Tarot for Self-Care book by Minerva Siegel, which I haven't read yet at the time, but it's in my pile on my desk of books, and you would have seen this in my books I'm currently reading video. So there's that, and then another book from that video is Dave Hollis's Get Out of Your Own Way, and I got this at Target. I also have the audiobook that I got on Amazon, and I'll also get another copy whenever his book tour happens, because with every ticket to the book tour, you got a copy of the book, but then it got pushed back, so I was like, I can't wait. It was already gonna be hard enough to wait till April 9th to get the book, and now I'd have to wait even longer, so I just went out and bought myself a copy because I gotta read this. So now I'll have 2 copies. I can gift one to someone. This one has an extra chapter, so maybe I'll gift the one I get from the book tour to someone else to spread the wealth, let them read it. But yeah, so I bought myself that. So that's what I have for this section. So let's jump over to the next day. All right, guys, we are here on day 2 of all of my packages arriving. And I just got an order from Barnes & Noble, and I got 2 new vinyls, the last 2 One Direction albums, because they were on Barnes & Noble, and I thought, I gotta have these. So there's the next thing. That's the only thing I got here today, so I'll have more stuff to show you later. So let's go to outfit number 3. Hey guys, I'm not sure if this is outfit 3 or 4, but we have another order that came in, and this one I am so excited about. Today I only got 1 of my packages. I think I have 2 more coming. At least 1 more coming. And this one today was my onesies. I'd mentioned on Instagram that I love my Torrid onesies, and so I ordered more. So this one is a koala. Look at that, that's so cute. I don't know if I ever talked about it on YouTube. I bought my sister the sloth one for Christmas. So now I have the koala. And then I also got a Harry Potter one in the hood. Hood, where is you? There it is. The hood has the glasses and the scar. So I got this one too. So now I have 2 new onesies to wear, not just my pink one. So let's move on to the next outfit. All right, hello. I don't know if we're on outfit 4 or 5 right now, but it looks pretty similar to every other outfit I've worn, let's be real. I got another package today. Actually I got a package yesterday too, but it was a WW order, just with some snacks and an egg cooker. So I'm not showing you that because that's all down in the kitchen. I didn't want to bring it up to my room and then go, whatever. Today I got an Amazon package. You're all gonna judge me for this. My sister and I rewatched the Twilight series the other day. And so I did a thing. Yeah, I'm gonna add these to my book pile. I also, oh, they're underneath you. I also, when I was at the store the other day, bought all of the Hunger Games books again. Let me just, boop, boop, boop. So, my shopping during this time is interesting. I'm gonna do a lot of reading, clearly. So, I think I have 1 more package coming, so on to the next outfit. All right, everyone, we are here with the last clip. This is the last clip because I'm uploading this video today. But it's the last clip, but not necessarily the last things I've ordered. I've been shopping still, but I have my last little set of things to show you guys, and then I'll talk you through some of the stuff that I still have coming. So, first thing we have is the new 5 Sauce album on vinyl. Super excited to listen to this. I'm gonna gently set it on the floor. I did not drop this. Then I was grocery shopping and I ran through the books and games section really quick at Target. Actually, this was at checkout. I got Harry Potter Codenames, which I have no idea how to play and we haven't played yet, but I got that. And then I wanted some more books. So I got The Upside of Being Down by Jen Gotch. and Colton's book the first time. I don't like Colton. He was one of my least favorite bachelors, but I'm still going to read this. So I got that. And then I got my Spring into Hollis Days or whatever that sale was called, Hollis co-order. And that is the Goals hat. The Not Sorry hat that you guys have already seen on Instagram because I'm obsessed with it. And then a New Start Today journal. I still have a lot of room in my one that I'm using right now, but I figured I'm going to want a new one eventually, and it was cheap, so I bought a new one now. So, still coming, I have a another vinyl. I have Nick Jonas and the Administration's album coming on vinyl. I have a new book series that I haven't read, which is it's not a new book series. They just announced they're making it into a Netflix show, I think. It's The Selection. And my friend messaged me and was like, Kayla, if you haven't read these yet, you have to. I was like, okay, I have time to read, that's fine. I also have some new hangers coming from my closet. I pre-ordered the Hunger Games prequel. Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, I think is what it's called. I had to order a new copy of Insurgent because I found Divergent and Allegiant out in my classroom books, but not Insurgent. And then I got VIP for Rise Live, which if you don't know what Rise Live is, what are you doing with your life? It is the Hollis Co.'s live event brought online. So they do Rise conferences usually as a 3-day conference live somewhere in a city. They are doing a 1-day online Rise Live event on May 2nd. And so I have a box of goodies from that coming because I bought the VIP ticket because I thought I would treat myself. And compared to what the VIP tickets are for the live events, it was not that expensive at all. So I highly encourage you guys to go check that out. VIP might be sold out by the time you see this. That was limited number, but the general and premiere access tickets were $40 and $65, and they're unlimited. So you can still get into Rise Live when you are watching this, unless it's after May 2nd, obviously. But as of today when I'm uploading it, they just went on sale today. VIP might be sold out by the time this is uploaded. I don't know how many there were, but the rest, there will still be tickets available because they are unlimited. They also set up an awesome feature where you can donate a tuition to a teacher, nurse, doctor, grocery store worker, people who are on like the front line of the COVID-19 fight. And so I highly recommend doing that as well. If you can spare the 40 bucks, it's just donating a basic level ticket and then they will upgrade that person to Premier. So they are gonna, you pay $40 to donate and then Hollis Co tax on $15 to make it a Premier level ticket instead of just a general admission, which I think is super cool. So if you can swing an extra ticket for someone who is out there fighting the good fight against this virus, I highly suggest you do. I will leave the link below for that as well. All right, I think that's everything that I have coming, that I have shown you. I'm sure this won't be the end. It is currently April 13th. When I am filming and uploading this, and I know that I'm at least home until May 4th, so I'm sure this won't be the last of my shopping because that's what I do when I'm anxious. I really need to work on that habit. But if you bought some fun things during this time, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you guys have been anxiety shopping for, and give this video a thumbs up. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.